Boise.
No.
Go on, go for that bit in the middle. Go on. This is quite a cool train. Hello, I'm Reanne and this is Sri Lanka! Hello and welcome back to our Sri Lanka series. We are currently in Jaffna. I am in a tuk-tuk to a train station. So we've got a 6-hour first class train all the way to Negombo, which is where we're spending the next few days. So come along with us.
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you. Tell you what, it's one of the hardest things getting out of a tuk-tuk and trying to film in it.
Especially these bags.
I know. But that tuk-tuk was 500 rupees, a fair price, we didn't even have to barter. Love it.
Love it.
So now, because we booked our tickets online, you have to go up to the ticket counter and just ask them to print it out, so then you've got it in paper right in. It's easy to find seats as well. Did he screenshot it and save it for once? That is the question. Well, hey! So, because we reserved our seats, we go up to this counter and it's got no queue.
Passport. Thank you.
We've got our ticket for first class. We are sat together this time and we checked the platform 1. I think there's only about 1 or 2 platforms here. Highly doubt we can get it wrong. There's not many trains that come through here.
Yeah,
so, nearly fell down the stairs.
There might only be 2 platforms.
Would be 1.
Yeah,
That'll be even more embarrassing.
Yeah.
But I think we can go through the gate now, can't we?
Yeah, we can go there.
Let's go through. But that's how simple it is when you book it online. So there's literally just this. Yeah. There is another one over there, but...
It's like Fratton Station, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, the Jaffna train station is quite small. Hopefully we don't get it wrong.
Not even fools like us can get it wrong.
I don't know, I think we can. But yeah, we got like 45 minutes. We're early. Ben's always shouting at me, get up. Well, I did it. I was good this morning, wasn't I?
Yeah, it's better to be early than...
I'm not very good with mornings. I think I've said this a few times. But just in case we couldn't get a tuk-tuk, we made sure we had a half an hour extra just in case we had to walk it. Yeah. And we didn't have to. There was literally a tuk-tuk on our doorstep.
I was just going to say, the thing is, we're not going all the way back to Negombo.
Oh no, we've got a few trips to do.
Yeah.
But I just wanted to say about our accommodation in Jaffna. It was about a 25-minute, 30-minute walk from the centre, but it was like the cheapest accommodation we could find, so it worked out cheaper to either walk or get a tuk-tuk than pay the extra few quid to be in the city centre.
And the thing is, tuk-tuks are really reasonable with their prices, so they like obviously in Colombo,
they try their luck.
Places like that, they come in with something stupid like 2,000 rupees to go 5 kilometres.
But Jaffna seems to be a lot more fair.
Yeah, they just say 500. We don't even bother bartering. We just say yeah, okay.
I think it's where it's not like a massive tourist destination, so they might think we're locals.
Maybe we do pay more. I don't know, but it's much.
But it's fair. That's what we like. But yeah, the accommodation we stayed in, I'll put it in the description down below because it was really good accommodation. It was basic. It was cheap. Obviously, we're a budget channel, so it was cheap. But we liked that we had a sitting area, we could have tea and coffee, just little things like that, because obviously these are our home. They help a lot, don't they, when you have extra little bits. Clean towels, bedding, aircon.
Yeah,
you have no idea how hot it is up here.
Aircon's a massive thing, especially up here, it's really hot.
Yeah, it's a lot more hotter up here.
But I think that tea and coffee's underrated, but to sit and relax and have a cup of tea is quite nice.
And it saves us a lot of money because we'll go and sit in a cafe. So I highly recommend this place. As I said, I'll put it down below.
We're first class, 1B. I follow Reanne because I think she knows where she's going. Platform's very busy, but it's emptying really quickly, so we've got to get on there quick. It doesn't stay long. What seat numbers?
23 and 24.
Mate, that aircon. The aircon.
Oh.
Amazing. Hello.
Hello.
What number? 23.
23.
I think maybe, yeah.
23 and 24. Yeah,
What?
there.
I'll do your bag. Do you want to do your bag or do you want me to?
I'll do it. I'll show you.
Go on
Don't
then.
need a man.
You sure?
I can do it. I ain't doing yours. You're right, Ben. Do you need help you? TikTok store again. I feel this one's nicer than the last one we were on.
Yeah, it's quiet. Like last time it was like really busy, but this time there's like what 15 people on it.
Yeah.
This train's called the Yal Devi. It's the long distance train. It runs from to Mount Lavina. It takes nearly 10 hours. So obviously we're not doing the whole route today, just a short part of it. But yeah, it's one of the oldest trains in Sri Lanka. Not this particular train, but one of the oldest train routes in Sri Lanka.
And we also have a movie going on, so you can plug your earphones in there and watch the movie. Yeah, it's pretty quiet in here, so that's why we're keeping our voice down. I'm getting comfy, right?
Yeah.
So these first class seats cost us 5,600 rupees for both of us, which is still not that expensive, but if you go in like second class or third class, you probably would have paid about 1,000 for both of us then, wouldn't we? So it would have been,
yeah, you would have
like
definitely.
a quarter of the price.
I reckon you would have definitely paid under 1,000 for both of us.
Yeah, so it is a big price difference, but it is worth it on a long journey. I definitely recommend it, just in case you
This is
don't
lovely.
get a seat.
I could sit on here for like 50 hours.
Yeah, this one's definitely better than the one we got up here. It's not as rockety, that's the
Yeah.
word. But I don't mind second class, because if you get a seat, it's quite nice because you've got the window open, so that's your AC.
Yeah, yeah. It's better for
and you can
filming.
hang out as well. Yeah.
This isn't so bad for filming.
No,
It's obviously it's really quiet. Like we're the loudest people on it.
but we're gonna be quiet now because people are looking. Okay, we've just put it on live count because we're just about to hit 5,000 subscribers. Let's refresh. Right, we might be here a while.
We'll be back. You shut it off and we'll come back.
Alright, are we ready?
Yes!
Okay, we're about 3 hours into the journey. The snacks are out, but we haven't got no drinks, so we're waiting for the guy to come around with some drinks.
My mouth is like a Gandhi's flip flop.
What?
Thirsty.
So hopefully we get a drink, but at the moment it's going alright. The train's quite rocky. These aren't the most steady trains, are they?
It's a bit annoying when you're trying to do something.
Especially when I'm trying to work on my laptop. But other than that, nothing's really gone on. Like, we're just gonna eat some snacks.
It's nice and comfortable though.
Yeah, it is. A lot of leg room, loads of leg room, look at that. Tables down. But the annoying thing is they don't pull forward, so with his seat pack I can't put up my laptop properly, so it's a bit annoying. We're just over halfway through our journey and it is getting very busy in first class now. So this is obviously where it's filling up. Ben's got a really bad headache, so he don't want to talk to me. I'm going to try and get him some water. I've got no headache tablets, so. Okay, we've been stopped here for a while. I was going to risk running off to get some Ben some water, but it looks like they're waving us to go, so I'm not going to risk it. Hopefully someone comes along with some water. But Ben suffers really badly with headaches. Where he's got a brain injury, he gets like really extreme headaches where he can barely keep his eyes open. So I haven't got no tablets, but the least I can do is try and find him some water, it might help. So that's second class. They're starting to run out of seats, so people are going to have to stand up. And you have no idea how hot it is out here now. I've just left the AC and I'm like, whoa, is this hot? Oh yeah, I forgot to film. So I just got this like sweet sugar bread. Oh my god, this is so good.
Does it look a donut?
No, it's more like a bread roll with sugar on top. It was really nice. It was 100 rupees, but he tried to give me change, so I'm not sure how much it was meant to be, but I told him to keep it, so I wouldn't say it was 100 rupees. It was well nice, good little snack, but we still haven't got a drink. We've looked around for a cart and we can't find a cart with drinks on. And where we're on first class, our cart doesn't stop at the platforms, so I'm too scared to run back and run off, then run back on. That they might leave me. On this train nearly 9 hours, so the sun's starting to set. A lot longer than we thought we would be. I think we've got about 30 minutes left on it, and then we'll be getting off. But this sunset's amazing. It's so beautiful.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you.
Okay, we have arrived in Ragama. It is now like 8 in the evening, so it's been a very, very long day on the train. We still have another train to get. We're just on the outskirts of Colombo, and then we need to get another train to Negombo, but we need to go and see if we can get a ticket. Exit.
Yeah, 2 for Negombo? Yeah.
Alright, so our train is until 8:50. We've got 50 minutes. It looks like a food place across the road.
Yeah, there's a main street here, so let's find something to eat.
So we're going to go over there for a bit.
Over the road, Coca-Cola sign, and we said always go for a Coca-Cola sign, which means reasonably priced. Let's go. I'll get another on the train.
Yeah, where are you going to?
Where am I going? To Negombo.
Negombo?
Yeah, I've got a ticket.
Yeah, I've got a ticket.
Watch out, Ben! So we're in a local place that obviously doesn't understand any English. The menu's not even in English. I'm still not feeling very well, so I'm not having nothing to eat. Ben's having something, and he's getting us drinks. Ben's got his chicken and rice. 4 fat cokes, well and truly needed today.
So we just got off the train, right? We travelled from Jaffna down to Ragama, which is just like literally outside Colombo, like probably 10 miles outside Colombo. There we can get another train to Negombo.
So the train we're getting on now only costs us about 120 rupees, which is next to nothing. So it should be about a 30-minute train ride, but it's going to be cramped in it with our bags.
If you said anything like that train earlier.
Oh god, don't. I'm going to have nightmares.
We've got bags as well.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
70, 130.
That one. That's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What a great guy.
He's a great guy. We didn't even ask. He was like, do you want some water? Do you want a corner? We're like, yes. You're a legend. And this is how Ben opens it. He's got no nails because he always bites them.
Thank you.
Thank you. We always give you his chilli flakes. Oh, that looks like a sweet chilli sauce. So Ben's got his chicken and rice. Look at that for a portion. He's even brought us glasses over. You don't very often get given glasses when you get given a bottle of water. You just get given a bottle of water.
It's like an egg fried rice. I've ordered the chicken one, so it's chicken, I've added chilli, I've added everything else. I don't really know what it is, but...
I hope it's really spicy.
No.
Go on, go for that bit in the middle. Go on, that bit there.
Whatever it is, I'm not
Just
scared.
go for it.
No,
Yeah.
it's not spicy.
It'll be gulping that water down in a minute.
No. Beautiful. Lovely, soft and juicy.
Oh, we're just eating. We've been looking for hoppers everywhere. Dinner, well, Ben's dinner cost him 750 rupees. He was a great guy, so we gave him 1,000 and he was well happy and he was so nice.
He was a lovely guy.
Yeah.
And I called him Machan at the end and he was
so happy. So our train's about, 15 minutes, let's go. Tell you what, with this backpack, up and downstairs, I'm going to topple over one day because I can't see where my feet are going. Yeah, thank you. Hi. Thank you. Oh, thank you. No, we're all right. Oh, look, they moved for us. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, they gave us a seat. Thank you. Put them next to... Oh, nice guys. Okay, hopefully you can see us now, but we've walked about 10 minutes from the train station. It is 10 at night, so we can't really film because it's quite dark, but we're just walking to our accommodation and that is pretty much it. It's quite cool where we are though. No, we're just there. Where our accommodation is, it looks like there's a lot going on along here. It looks like there's loads of food places, a bit of music going on. Seems like quite a good area. I think we can have a little celebration tomorrow to celebrate our 5k. We've made it to our accommodation after a few wrong turns, but we're here. This is our accommodation for the next 2 nights. It was 5,800. Quite good. It's quite basic, but it has everything we need. There's aircon, towels, bathroom. Ben's just gone to have a shower, and we've got a big bed, seating area. But that's our day done today. It was probably one of our longest travel days on a train. We've been travelling since 9:30 in the morning. It is now 10:30 in the evening, so we're pooped and I'm feeling a bit crappy again, which is a bit annoying because I thought it was getting better, but hopefully a good night's sleep will sort me out. But otherwise, we'll see you later and we'll see you next time. Bye! The local bus, I wonder if you've got a table.
Local train.
Ah, I'm ill. This is the local bus.
Train.
I did that on purpose. Alright, we're off the train. It's about 10 in the morning. We've got about a 10-minute walk to accommodation.
Hold on. You said it's 10 in the morning. It's not 10 in the morning.
Oh. Might as well wait until it's 6 o'clock.